Namaste all of you. Let us solve some numericals from integration.
Today we'll do some more examples of substitution method and finding integrals. Example, integration of secant square log x by x dx. Here in this problem, instead of x, log x is there, so let that we suppose log x as t. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So dx by x is existing already in our problem. So change the problem. Now what happens? Secant square t dx by x is dt. So directly I can write as dt. Now integration of secant x square x is tan x. Secant square t here. So tan t plus c. As the t is log x, so tan log x plus c is the final answer. Hope you have understood this, right? One more example. Integration of secant square 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. If you look into the problem, in the bracket 2 tan inverse x is given. So I am taking, let 2 tan inverse x is equal to t. So on differentiation, 2 into tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Now send this to that side. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt by 2. Now I try to write the problem in the structure of secant square 2 tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This is the problem. Now when I replace that bracket of 2 tan inverse x what value as t, then it will become secant square t. This entire thing is a dt by 2. Now that is equal to that 1 by 2 I can take out integration of secant square t dt. We know integration of secant square t is tan t plus c. That is equal to, what is t? We have supposed 2 tan inverse x. So half times tan of 2 tan inverse x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem. One more example. Integration of x by e power x square dx. Now in this problem, what I am doing first step is integration of e power x square. I am writing it up. So e power minus x square into x dx. So I am supposing, let minus x square is equal to t. Now on differentiating, minus 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 dt. Now, if I look at the problem, x dx form, it can be replaced by minus 1 by 2. So now the problem will become integration of e power t, x dx is minus 1 by 2 dt. So I'm taking minus 1 by 2 outside, e power t dt. Integration of e power t is e power t only. Now what have we supposed for t? Minus x square. Let's see. Have you understood the problem? One more example. Integration of x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. It's a different problem. Let x plus 1 is equal to t implies dx is equal to dt. Further, what I am doing, x is equal to t minus 1 I am writing. Now if I see the numerator, x square is there, I can replace x square is equal to t minus 1 whole square. For that purpose I am doing like this. Now what will be the problem here now? Goes to be integration of, instead of x square I can write t minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x plus 1 we have supposed as t, so t square. Dx is dt. Now when I open the square form, t square minus 2t plus 1 outside by t square dt. Now further integration of t square minus 2t plus 2 by t square dt. Now here I am separating the denominator for the numerator separately. So if I write t square by t square minus 2t by t square plus 2 by t square dt. Integration of this is 1 minus 2 by t plus 2 by t square dt. I am doing the direct integration for you. Integration of 1 is t minus integration of 1 by t is log t. Integration of 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. So 2 by t plus c. Now, but what is t? X plus 1 we have supposed. So x plus 1 minus 2 log x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 plus c. Hope you have understood this, right? One more example. Integration of e power root x cos e power root x by root x dx. Now, very simple thinking is like instead of angle x form, e power root x is there. So we are supposing that as t. Let e power root x is equal to t. Now, on differentiating it, we will get differentiation of e power root x is e power root x, but it is being root x, so we have to differentiate again root x. Now, what is e root x differentiation? 1 by 2 root x. So we can write it as e power root x into 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Now that is the form. But when you look at the figure, e power x root x is there, that 2 is extra, so I'm sending that to that side. So e power root x by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Now I reduce the problem in that structure. Therefore, integration of cos e power root x into e power root x by root x dx. Now, integration of cos e power root x I have supposed as t, so I replace it with a t. E power root x by root x dx is equal to 2 dt, I can change it. So, 2 I can take it outside. Integration of cos t dt. What is integration of cos x? Sin x. So here cos t, so sin t plus c. What is t? E power root x. So I replace it. 2 sin e power root x plus c. Hope you have understood the problem, right? One more example. Integration of sin x by 1 plus cos x whole square dx. Here I am taking 1 plus cos x as t. When I take 1 plus cos x as t, differentiation of this minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now if I look at the numerator, that minus is not there in the numerator form. Sin x dx is there. So I am sending that minus. Sin x dx is equal to minus dt. I am replacing that. Now when I come to the structure of the problem, integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x whole square. For your understanding sake, I am writing right a separated structure sin x dx. Now when I replace this, whatever I supposed, 1 plus cos x I suppose as t, so t square Sin x dx, I can take it as minus dt. So if I write properly, integration of minus 1 by t square dt. Now you know, for integration of 1 by t square is equal to minus 1 by t. So what happens to this? Minus is outside already, minus is there, so minus outside, minus 1 by t plus c. Now this is 1 by, minus of minus is plus, so 1 by t is 1 plus cos x plus c. Hope you have understood the problem, right? One more example. Integration of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. It's a very simple problem. First, we try to write the structure of the problem in a different way. 1 by cos square x I am writing as secant square x in the numerator by 1 minus tan x whole square dx. Now, what I am doing, I am supposing this, let 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So on differentiation, tan x differentiation is secant square x dx is equal to dt. So we want secant square x only, secant square dx is equal to minus dt. It's a direct structure which I am able to look at. So when I separate that and write for your understanding, I can write it as 1 by 1 minus tan x whole square into secant square x dx. Now when I replace the thing of 1 minus tan x, which I supposed as t, so t square, secant square x dx is minus dt. Again, if I look at the structure of this, it is minus 1 by t square dt. We know integration of 1 by t square dt is equal to minus 1 by t plus c. So in this problem, minus is already there. Minus of 1 by t square is nothing but minus 1 by t plus c, which is equal to 1 by t plus c. What is t supposed? 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? One more example. Integration of 1 plus log x whole square by x dx. In this problem, I am taking let 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now on differentiation, 1 is 0, log x is 1 by x, dx is equal to dt. So I just try to write in the structure of how I required, log x whole square. Now that by x I am writing it as 1 by x dx. Now on replacing 1 by log x as t, it becomes t square. 1 by x dx can be replaced as dt. Integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus c. Since t is equal to 1 plus log x, so t cube will become 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Hope you have understood the problem, right? One more example. Integration of x minus 1 by x times x minus log x dx. The problem I am making it in a structure desired for me. Integration of x minus 1 by x into 1 by x minus log x. I am writing like this. For solving, it will be easy for me to do. So that's the reason why. One more step I am writing for this. X by x is 1 minus 1 by x into 1 by x minus log x dx. Now I am supposing let x minus log x is equal to t. Now on differentiating, I will get differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, dx is equal to dt. Now if you look at the problem, 1 minus 1 by x is there, dx is there. I can replace it as dt. So what happens to that? Integration of 1 by t dt. What is integration of 1 by t? Is log t plus c. Log of what is t? We have supposed x minus log x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? One more example. Integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x dx. Now for this, you can't directly do that. First you simplify that tan x form. 1 by 1 plus tan x can be written as sin x by cos x dx. Now when you take LCM cos x and rearrange, it will become cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now what I am doing is multiplying and dividing by 2. So what happens? 1 by 2 will be outside. Integration of 2 cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now I am writing 2 cos x as cos x plus cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now I'm adding and subtracting sin x in the numerator. I'm adding and subtracting sin x in the numerator, so it becomes half times integration of cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x whole by cos x plus sin x dx. Now this is equal to, this is a compound, so I can put a bracket for this, half times integration of, I'm separating the denominator for the numerator as like this, cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now integration of, say, cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x can be cancelled. I can write it as 1 on cancelling it. 1 plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Writing the previous step again here, it is half times integration of 1 plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. I am separating the integration here, half times integration of 1 dx plus half times integration of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now integration of 1 dx, will keep it because I will make this also get integrated, then I will write the answer exactly. Half times 1 dx, I am carrying it plus. So I am considering, let cos x plus sin x is equal to t. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Dx is equal to dt. I will write in a proper order, then it will be cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. One more integration application I am just introducing for you. Integration of f prime x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. Now whenever in the integration problem, if you notice the derivative in the numerator of the denominator, then you can directly write log of that function. Now if you look at this problem, in this problem the function is cos x plus sin x and the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So I can directly write log of the function. Okay, so I'm just taking like this, but as I proceeded in this way, I'm just proceeding in writing 1 by t dt, which is equal to half x plus half times log t plus c. Now that is equal to half x plus half times log t is cos x plus sin x plus c. Hope you have understood this, right? Now, instead of proceeding with this application, taking it as t and all, if you are able to observe the denominator's derivative is numerator, then you can straight away write its log form. Hope you have understood what I am saying, right? One more example. Integration of e power x minus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x dx. Solution. Let e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t. That implies e power x differentiation is e power x. E power minus x differentiation is e power minus x. Dx is equal to dt. Now, the numerator and denominator has a relationship. Therefore, you can write the answer directly log of e power x plus e power minus x plus c. What is that? You have to quote the reason. Since integration of f prime x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x plus c. Hope you have understood this, right? One more example. Integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1 dx. The solution. Integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1 dx. Now what I am doing, dividing numerator and denominator by e power x. So it becomes integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power a whole by e power 2x plus 1 by e power x dx. If you write in order, integration of e power 2x by e power x minus 1 by e power x whole by e power 2x by e power x plus 1 by e power x dx. Now this is integration of e power 2x by e power x is nothing but e power x minus 1 by e power x is nothing but e power minus x whole by e power x plus 1 by e power x is e power minus x dx. Now this is in the form of f prime x by f of x, but don't write directly. Let e power x plus e power minus x is equal to t implies e power x minus e power minus x dx is equal to dt. So that implies log of e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right?
You like my videos? Click like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.